There's that morning after nickel, aluminum, selenium, and hydrogen and oxygen and nitrogen and rhenium, and nickel, neodymium, neptunium, germanium, and navanum, lithium, ruthenium, uranium, europium, zirconium, lutetium, vanadium, and lanthanum, and osmium, and acetine, and radium, and gold, titanium, and indium, and gallium, and iodine, and thorium, and thulium, and thallium. There's the yttrium, ytterbium, actinium, rubidium, and boron, gadolinium, niobium, iridium, the strontium, and silicon, and silver, and samarium, and dysprosium, and lithium, beryllium, and barium. The swarmium and helium and hafnium and erbium and phosphorus and francium and fluorine and terbium, manganese and mercury, molybdenum, magnesium, dysprosium and scandium and cerium, cesium and leprosium and platinum, plutonium, palladium, promethium, potassium, polonium and tantalum, technetium, titanium, tellurium, and cadmium and calcium and chromium and curium. The sulfur, californium and fermium, berkelium, and also mendelevium, arsenium, nobelium, and argon, tritonium, radon, xenon, zinc, and rhodium, and chlorine, carbon, cobalt, copper, tungsten, tin, and sodium.